Volume bar stuck on screen all Samsung phone. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to assist you today. So let's get started. Do you also have this problem where your volume bar is constantly stuck? For example, this is my volume bar and this bar is stuck no matter what you do. I don't have this problem but I know exactly what to do to solve such problem. So first go to settings, then go to general management, then tap on reset, then tap on reset all settings, then confirm reset settings and restart your phone once. This should fix your problem. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.